How can you change the font style on your iPhone? Today in this video I'll show you exactly how to do that in different methods, so let's jump right into it. The first method is basic. You go to your settings, tap on display and brightness. Right here you'll find the text modification section. You can tap on text size and drag this ball to the right side of the screen to make the text bigger, drag it to the left side to make it smaller. And that is it for the text size. Now you can go and make the text bolder by quitting and turn on this toggle right here, and the text will be bolder on all of your device. You can go ahead and turn off that toggle to make the text thinner. Now this is for the first basic methods. You can quit settings and go to your app store for the second method. So you go to App Store and search for fonts. You'll find this amazing app that is very easy to install and to use on your iPhone, and it has tons of different fonts and themes for your keyboard, making your keyboard look very much creative and very much better than the original one. That is it for this video, guys. I hope it was useful. Please like and comment down below. Don't forget to subscribe for future videos like this one, and thanks for watching.